In environments from construction sites to retail stores, poor air quality is a constant challenge. Dust, chemicals, and odors can affect health and productivity. Today, we introduce the X-3580 Professional HEPA Air Scrubber, designed to transform air quality in your workspace. The X-3580 features a four-stage filtration system that effectively removes dust, allergens, contaminants, pet hair, and airborne particles. Its activated carbon filter eliminates odors, while the proven HEPA filter can capture particles as small as 0.3 microns with a filtration efficiency of 99.97% for superior air purification. The X-3580 is equipped with a powerful 1/2 horsepower external rotor induction motor. It draws only 2.8 amps and delivers a maximum airflow of 600 CFM. The unit also has a 5-speed control function to meet different needs. The X-3580 has a lightweight, compact, and durable ABS plastic housing, making it easy to move in place. The unit also comes with a long power cord, allowing for flexible positioning. The X-3580 is ETL and CETL certified, ensuring safe and reliable operation and providing peace of mind for users. Maintenance of the X-3580 is a breeze. The outer nylon filter can be washed and reused. The activated carbon filter can be reactivated by the sun, and the HEPA filter is easy to replace. The filter installation and removal are straightforward and require no tools. The filter replacement indicator light reminds you to maintain the unit in a timely manner to ensure optimal purification performance. The X-3580 is ideal for a wide range of applications. Whether you're a contractor, painter, DIY enthusiast, or a small business owner, it effectively improves air quality in various settings. XPOWER X-3580, where clean air matters.